What is the rule of law? During this program, we'll introduce this democratic value and constitutional principle and learn how the rule of law works in students' lives. To begin, let's think about what it might be like if laws and rules all disappeared. At first, it might be exciting because you could do anything you wanted. But soon there would be downsides, like what happens if something's unfair? Would people hurt others? Even simple things like how do you know what to do? You would have to decide each and every time you were with someone. Life would quickly become exhausting and perhaps feel unsafe. Likely, people would eventually decide to make laws and rules again. The rule of law is more specific than just having laws. It has to do with ideas like who makes the laws and rules, who has to follow them, how to decide what's fair, and what people get out of it. People in Michigan, the United States, and around the world value the rule of law. When the rule of law is working in our communities, everyone follows the law, including the government. Everyone is treated equally. There are rights and responsibilities for all. Laws are known and enforced fairly, and courts are independent and fair. Under the rule of law, the law is the ruler, not the whims of a king or queen or any other person. That's why our government has 3 branches, each with its own power. Here, you see an image from the Learning Center Gallery in the Hall of Justice in Lansing. In the middle is the Muse of Law. She's from our state capital. She's a symbol of law, and the tablet in her hand has laws written on it. There are words all around her. They're from decisions of the Michigan Supreme Court and the US Supreme Court about the rule of law. The one in the bottom left corner says, "This is the essence of the rule of law, to know in advance what the rules of society are. The rule of law helps everyone to know what's expected." Now let's talk about what this means for you. Here are some example state laws in your daily life. School. Did you know you're expected to go to school because of laws? And in fact, schools are a constitutional matter in our state. The state constitution says schools and the means of education shall forever be encouraged. There's also a state law about public schools. It even gets down to details like a definition of textbooks, who selects them, and who owns them. Chores. If your chores include washing dishes or helping with laundry, you can expect the soap you use to be safer for the environment. A state law limits the chemical phosphorus in detergents. Extra phosphorus eventually gets into waterways and can cause algae to grow in lakes and rivers. This can affect the water you drink. Sports. If you play an organized sport, you and your family can expect to receive information about a type of brain injury called concussion. These injuries can damage your growing brain, especially if they happen many times. A state law requires team organizers to be trained and to disseminate information about the signs of concussion and what to do. As you can see from these examples, the rule of law is part of your life and everyone's lives. When the rule of law is valued and followed, there are many benefits. People know what's expected, feel safe, have equal rights and responsibilities, and know that courts will decide fairly.